Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of BGS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. And our today's topic is the discussion of assignment number 4. Dear students, let's say it. Assignment number 4, Bangladesh and Global Studies, class 6. Chapter and title of the chapter. Chapter 4, Introduction to Population of Bangladesh. Lesson number and topics. Lesson 1, Introduction to Demography. Lesson 2, 3 and 4, dominant elements for change of population. Lesson 5 and 6, causes and effects of dissimilarity in birth rate. Lesson 7, causes and effects of discrepancy in mortality rate. Lesson 8, causes and effects of migration discrepancy. And this is your assignment or assigned task. Present an illustrated poster matching the different causes of birth and death rates. The cause and effects of it should be briefly written beside each image in the poster. Dear students, that means you have to draw or make a poster like this. It should be very much long, and you have to illustrate poster regarding the showing the causes. Present an illustrated poster matching the different causes of birth and death rate. That means you have to show the image of birth rate or death rate like this, and then you have to elaborate that causes and effects here. Okay, and it's told that you have to give at least 10 to more than 10 pictures and its description. Instruction: students will draw by their own hand or can illustrate pictures, can use brush paint, will follow the textbook and necessary information. Lessons from here you will get the pictures, you will get it from internet or from your textbook. Okay, so you have to, I am telling you again, you have to present matching the differences, the different causes of birth rate and death rate, and by showing the pictures you have to elaborate that causes and effects, and the picture should be more than 10. The students, you have homework number, you have to submit it at 10/30/2021, that means 30 October 2021. So this is the end of the discussion. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.